What if I told you that a herb on your pizza has a complicated relationship with a butterfly? Would you believe me? In the hills of northern Italy, a special group of ants have decided to establish their nest around the roots of an oregano plant. Now, although the ants may have found a suitable home, the oregano plant isn't too happy about this, and so releases a chemical in response. The chemical is called corvical, and it has unique defensive characteristics. This particular group of ants has some resistance to the chemical, and it is corvical that gives the oregano plant its unique herbal scent that we humans prize it for. However, the chemical's aroma is not this story's topic. In these Italian flower meadows, corvical is an SOS signal for an entirely different species, and the recipient is the large blue butterfly. Having identified the oregano plant with the ant colony amongst its roots, the large blue can lay its eggs on the plant. When the eggs have hatched, the larvae will then spend a couple of weeks on the plant, developing a disguise that will mask them throughout the next stage of their life cycle, a disguise that is absolutely essential to their survival. The larvae are able to cloak themselves with the scent of the ants living below, and once prepared with this disguise, they simply let go of the plant and fall to the ground. And here they are picked up by the ants, who mistake them as one of their own and take them back to the colony. Now, despite being a different size and colour to the ant larvae within the nest, the large blue is cared for, nursed and fed by the worker ants. They are given the same attention and devotion as the ants' own young. A solution of sugar water is used to feed the large blue larvae, a resource that is used for the ant larvae themselves. However, the large blue larvae are by no means content with this meal and pursue instead another food source within the colony. When the worker ant's backs are turned, the large blue moves its attention to the well-stocked larder of ant larvae. Now, alongside the large blue's modified scent, they are also able to imitate the sounds made by the ant queen. This means that whilst they are raiding the ants' nurseries, they do so undisturbed, as the worker ants believe that the larvae is a higher ranked member of their colony and so do not interfere. The large blue will continue to devour the colony until almost all of it has been wiped out, before constructing itself a cocoon and preparing itself for metamorphosis into adult form. Without being raised in the right ant colony, this butterfly simply could not survive. Just how remarkable is that? If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe and give my channel a follow. Keep an eye on my social media to find out what next week's episode is going to be about. Thank you very much for listening.